Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into the simplest method for 1-minute scalping. We've put this strategy to the test, and guess what? It's been pretty successful. Plus, it's super easy to use. And here's the best part. Not only can you use it for 1-minute scalping, but it's also great for 5-minute or 15-minute sessions too. And get this, it works for both forex and crypto scalping. But before we jump in, don't forget to show your support for our channel by giving us a like and subscribing. First, fire up TradingView, the go-to platform for traders. Once you're in, head straight to the Indicator search tab. Now, type in SSL Hybrid and select SSL Hybrid from ML. This nifty indicator is going to be your secret weapon. Now, let's fine-tune it. Dive into the SSL Hybrid settings by clicking on it. Inside the settings, you'll see various tabs, but for now, let's focus on the Input tab. Here, you'll find SSL1 baseline type. Switch it to McGinley. Why McGinley, you ask? Because it's going to give you that extra edge. Now, let's talk numbers. Set the SSL1 baseline length to 400. Yes, you heard that right, 400. This setting is crucial for maximizing your gains. Next up, we're going to tweak the style. In the Style column, remove all marks except for those on MA baseline and SSL1. This ensures you're getting the most accurate signals. Once you're done, then hit OK to apply the changes. If the candlestick is above the SSL hybrid line and the signal line is colored navy blue, then it indicates a bullish trend. On the other hand, if the candlestick is below the SSL hybrid line and the signal line is colored red, then it signifies a bearish trend. Head back to the Indicator search tab in TradingView. Now, type in HARI or Heikin Ashi RSI Oscillate, and make sure to select HARI or Heikin Ashi RSI Oscillator from J. Rogers. This indicator is going to add another layer of insight to your trading strategy. Now, let's fine-tune the settings to suit your needs. Dive into the HARI or Heikin Ashi RSI Oscillator settings and focus on the Input tab. Here, tweak the length of HARI to 10. This adjustment will help you capture more precise signals. Next up, let's smooth things out a bit. Adjust the open smoothing value to 5. This will help filter out any noise in the market, giving you a clearer picture of price action. Now, it's time to clean up the clutter. Remove the marks on RSI histogram, RSI shadow, RSI overlay, stochastic K shadow, stochastic D shadow, stochastic K, stochastic D, OB extreme, medium OS extreme, and background channel. The HARI or Heikin Ashi RSI oscillator indicator will be used as a guide for entry signals into the market. If the signal from the Heikin Ashi RSI oscillator indicator is in the overbought area, our main focus is to look for the best entry point for selling. On the other hand, if the signal from the Heikin Ashi RSI oscillator indicator is in the oversold area, our main focus is to find the best entry point for buying. To provide further clarity, let's discuss how to place buy and sell orders using this 1-minute scalping strategy. Steps for placing a buy order. If the candlestick is above the SSL hybrid and the SSL hybrid trend line is blue, focus on placing a buy order. Wait until the Heikin Ashi RSI oscillator candlestick enters the oversold area. Once the Heikin Ashi RSI oscillator candlestick has exited the oversold area and changed color from red to green, ensure that the price candlestick is a bullish candlestick. If all conditions are met, you can place a buy order after the price candlestick is closed. Set the stop loss at the latest swing low. Target take profit using a risk and reward ratio of 1 to 2. Steps for placing a sell order. If the candlestick is below the SSL hybrid and the SSL hybrid trend line is red, focus on placing a sell order. Wait until the Heikin Ashi RSI oscillator candlestick enters the overbought area. Once the Heikin Ashi RSI oscillator candlestick has exited the overbought area and changed color from green to red, ensure that the price candlestick is a bearish candlestick. If all conditions are met, you can place a sell order after the price candlestick is closed. Set the stop loss at the latest swing high. Target take profit using a risk and reward ratio of 1 to 2. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.